In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render a text mesh converted from SVG. Let's import the SVG file. The idea is to keep the materials from the SVG file, and somehow find a way to extrude the curves. If we try to extrude it, you'll notice only one of them gets extruded. It took me a while to find a solution, and here it is. Hold Alt while extruding, and that will extrude all selected curves at once. Let's set up the render scene. In order to prevent the 2D to 3D converted meshes from showing odd lines, we need to randomly select them and move them on the Z-axis. We need to do that multiple times like this. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.